Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Kinesis Silver token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Kinesis Silver is a silver-backed digital currency launched by Kinesis, a global trading and digital assets utility platform. Each Kinesis Silver token is backed by once of investment grade silver button securely stored in Kinesis fully insured audited vaults. This mission behind Kinesis Silver is to reintroduce physical silver as money and provide the global community with a stable store of value. By combining the key features of digital assets, Kinesis Silver offers physical fully allocated non-fiat based assets that operates outside of transactional functional infrastructure. All silver backing Kinesis Silver KAG is recorded on a transparent and immutable blockchain ledger and stored in secure audited vaults with the purchaser as the legal title owner of the metal. Kinesis Silver KAG enables physical silver button to be instantly purchased, traded, spent and sent anywhere in the world, bringing real-world access, value and utility to physical previous metals. Kinesis Silver also serves as a true stablecoin, enabling traders to access more volatility markets into the time-proven value of precious metals. Kinesis Silver token total supply is 100 billion and circulating supplies around 3.72 million KAG token. KAG token is listed on Bitmart and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.